a temple or a church or a holy house is holy because it teaches you to be different than what you've been taught. And so in a Dharma house, when someone, teacher and student, find their mistake and examine it, and if it takes them 1 day, 1 week, 1 year, 1 month, 1 decade to find their mistake, and they face up to it, and they own up to it, and they talk about it, that is the growth of Dharma. Why is that the growth of Dharma? Because Dharma grows when our mind transforms to something better. Something much, much better. When our mind improves and faces itself, when we take responsibility, when we take responsibility for what we're supposed to do, when we take responsibility for our emotions and our speech, and we take responsibilities for our mistake, that is Dharma growth. What is Dharma? Dharma is right attitude, right conduct, right thinking. So when someone makes a mistake and they can face it to themselves, that is the most important.